Introducing the 2008 Nissan Xterra. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including skid plates, a roof rack, rear wipers, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.